Namaskar. Mona Dr. Engineer Chaudhary Sampath Das. I am the director of Global Indian Model Schools. So today on 17th August we are organizing our second blood donation camp. So last year we had about 260 to 270 people donating their blood. So this year we are expecting more than 300 to 400 donations. So talking about blood donation, it is one of the most humane act a human can possibly do. So if we donate blood, we are not only donating to the society, we are also saving certain lives. So for this donation camp, if we donate a single blood, then 3 people can get their lives saved. So this is what we are preaching, this is what we are doing and following.
अर्जुन जेना
आज फास्ट टाइम ब्लड दौन ना आगु केते
7 थर आज 8 थर।